Hello friends. So today we have one of my favorite dishes, Misal Pav. Ingredients are as follows: 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, some Kadhi Patta, Matki 2 cups. Take a cooker, add 4 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is hot, add 3 teaspoon mustard seeds. Chopped onions. Fried for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover the cooker for 2 minutes. Add tomatoes, Kadhi Patta. Mix it properly. Salt according to one's taste. Fry it for a minute. Add matki. Turmeric powder 2 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 4 teaspoon to make it spicy hot. Coriander powder. Jeera powder. Garam Masala. And finally Misal Masala. Since we did not actually boil the matki, we'll have to fry it well until the mixture leaves the oil. Cover it for 2 minutes. Heat it for 2 more minutes. It's time to add water, 2 to 3 cups. Keep the flame on medium until the cooker whistles for 4 times. Your misal is ready. Serve the misal with misal Farsan that you would get in the market. Have some fresh chopped onions and lemon as well. You can have it either with bread or pav. Do let us know if you tried this dish and how it turned out to be. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, share this video, and if you're new to this channel, then do press the red subscribe button. Thank you.